my grandson about to get busy on this. We gotta be careful of the gas tank. Actually, we should just take that off, seat off, and take that outside. So, but we gotta do the tires and stuff. That's what we about to do. Okay, so I think we just got some 10mm bolts under here. We're gonna pull the tank off. There was a washer on there too. Alright, that'll slide out. Should be a 10 there. And the rubber grommet in there, so don't lose it. That one actually still looks good. We'll keep all the bolts. And this tank will slide backwards. And we are loose. We'll go hide these from my dog. Alright, I guess we can work on the wheels right quick. We'll just flip her upside down like the old school BMX. You know about this, Shady? This is what we used to do to our bikes. We thought we were cool back in the day. Huh? What do you think? Alright, Shady, let's get some wheels off. We need to take this brake deal off. That should be a 12mm. We'll grab a 12mm. See if we can get the brake off. I got the axle bolt loose. Well, this one right here. Stick it in. Put her on here, and then this brake over here. Need to get it off. Is it not 12? Maybe it's 14. If it don't fit, get the one that fits. You getting there? Is the whole thing turning? Table turning too? Will you go get a plastic baggie off of the dining room table? You getting it? Me and you both, buddy. Me and you both. Man, get this something. Get her on out of there. She's out. Alright, let's get her axle. Shoot it off the floor. And our spacer. Put all stuff back together basically. Don't lose your brake wheels. That's where I'm going to put the bag. You getting her? Keep going. You're getting her. Done it. You got it. Get that piece, and that piece, and put them in the plastic bag. On there. Oh, smokes. I don't even know if these can get out. Holy smokes. Okay. Now we gotta let the air out of that rim. They told me these weren't holding air. But they are. That thing's gonna come out, man. It is stiff. Let's see if I can get a couple more. Don't do much more than that. Oh, man. Second bearing. Alright, we're gonna have to find something to beat the tar out of that one. Hey, sure. Get that? Yeah, those bearings are actually stuck. Oh, now it started moving. That one's got a seal on it.
This thing randomly made my hands dirty.
Huh?
This thing randomly made my hands dirty.
Randomly made your hand what?
Dirty.
Dirty? What's up with that? What's up with that randomly making you dirty? Alright, all these rims, if you can see it, should have a little spacer in there. And that way when you tighten your axle down, your bearings catch on that spacer and they keep your bearings from getting destroyed. So I'm going to try and go past that one, catch my bearing, except for I'm going to do it from the other side, and get this one out. It's pretty crunchy. And sometimes you can just hit that spacer. I'm gonna go get a 1/4 inch adapter and use it to kick it out. All right, come on, bearing. Don't hit it in one spot. Do north, south, east, west. That one's out, spacer's out. Now let's go back from the other side. We got a seal on the other side too. Oh God. That's starting to move up a little bit, but boy, that's our run shaft. She's coming. I guess I need something to put it on. We'll use my legs. There we go. Sometimes you just gotta use your legs. Seal goes on this side. Check that rusty booger out. Man, that one actually spins better than the other one, but it wasn't going no further. All right, got one apart, Shady. Shady, we got one apart, bud. Where's our bearing kit? Did we get? Oh, we didn't get the wheel bearings yet. We got the neck bearings. Man, that sucks. Oh well, bring me the other wheel. We'll tear them apart. Can't lose our spacer. Put that in our bag. We'll just put that wheel on. Put that collar on there so we don't forget about it. We'll run it through the brake. So it don't have a bearing, but that's gonna need to be cleaned out. And this axle. Wheel's coming. We need to let the air out of that one. Come on, send it. Send it. Send the wheel over here, dude. Come on. When's the last time you took a bath?
Today.
Today? This year?
Yes.
You did take one this year though.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-oh.
And yesterday. Okay, now we're
Collar ain't moved. Sometimes you can just do that and then you'll catch it.
Yeah. What am I supposed to do?
And it'll move.
How are we gonna get the air out again?
That bearing.
It didn't
That wasn't that bad.
there's air. It just feels like
Let the air out. Push the little deal. Push the little thingamajigger.
Okay.
That one had a little bit of paste on it.
It's hard.
Huh? Dude, what are you doing? Here, it's a valve stem right here.
Where?
Right here. You stick your finger on it. Holy smokes, this thing is full of slime.
Wait. What are you doing?
We're probably going to take these outside.
How are we supposed to do this? How are you doing that?
There's a valve stem in there.
I don't get it. I don't know what you're talking about.
Huh?
I don't know what you're talking about.
It's just like airing up your tire. See that little thing right in the middle? Push it. That little bitty button right in the middle of it. Push it. Catch it with your finger now. Catch it with your finger now. Push it with that, the corner of that. Alright, so I'm gonna do one of two things. Pull this off or separate the rim. Let's separate the rim because I'm not sure how cheap this metal is. If we can get the rim apart, we won't have to worry about tearing anything up. That sounds intelligent.
Yeah, I can't give you more air out.
Are you serious? Holy smokes, these are on good, dude.
It's still not stopping.
Well, the outside ain't that bad. The inside's definitely bad.
Now it just feels like stuff is flickering in here.
Flickering.
I
I think we're gonna get the air impact and get these off. Alright, we got some help. Bring the other one here. I'm on a roll.
The wheel is
Come on, dude. Come on, bro. These inside ones that hold the hub on are the issue. You got me a plastic baggie, sir?
Yeah. So,
6 washers and 6 nuts.
6 washers and 6.
How many we got?
Our washers we got 5 washers, 6.
Huh?
What? 3, 4, 4. We have 6 washers. What are these again?
Nuts.
Nuts. We got 6 of everything.
Huh?
We got 6 nuts and 6, whatever they
6
call
and
it. I
6.
forgot what they're called.
Whatever.
Huh? Yeah, we got 6 and 6.
6 and 6.
6 and 6.
Pick up sticks.
Take a 6.
What we do with the 14 millimeter?
I think it's right here.
Right there.
Maybe we should do a 3 millimeter, a 13 millimeter.
13 now, man. Hey, what'd you give me?
Put that in 14.
Let me see. Let me see the 13. You might be right. Oh, somebody got a different nut on there.
I see that.
That ain't good. Hopefully that ain't stripped. Alright.
Hey, by the way, do I get paid?
Saved by not getting beat today.
What?
Yeah, basically. I hope you got enough of these air out of these for this thing don't pop apart on me. You know what I'm saying, bro?
It's gonna pop on me.
Huh? What'd you run away for, bro?
No, what is it?
Uh-oh. Forgot one. You ready to see something amazing?
No.
Huh?
No.
Come on, man.
No. Wow.
Isn't that amazing? The frame should come apart. Technically, it should come apart.
It's all coming apart.
Yeah, it's glued on there pretty good. Here, don't lose these.
I will not.
Oh, that one. Where's the other one at? Let's get it.
I will not lose
Maybe it'll
them.
be easier.
I think I will not.
Think it'll be easier?
Will not. Will what?
You need to build the motor so you can ride it.
The motor?
How are you gonna ride it if there ain't no motor in it?
First of all,
Huh?
second of all,
You just gonna push it? You trying to be funny?
oh, there's a lot of bolts in here. What?
Oh, let me go find my tire tools. Hopefully, we can get these rims apart. Hopefully. Are you serious, man? Are you serious? Huh? You gotta be careful with these metal rims, they'll bend. They don't want them to bend, bro. No, you don't. Got one off.
Yeah, we got one off, guys.
Yeah, guys. Oh my god, let's sing it. I just lost 3 subscribers.
I didn't know.
Huh?
You don't do that.
Go get one of the wire brushes. Boy. Alright, fix to go outside and I'm gonna get this. I ain't really too real concerned about this, but this is where the tube's gonna sit. And it's pretty rough right here. So I'm gonna go outside and finish it, and then I'll probably hit it with some paint. Alright, let's see if we can get number 2 off. Alright, got us some new tread and some heavy duty tubes. My buddy's request. Well, let's put it together.